Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm Kris, and this is It Worth It, y'all? We've got a couple comments down in the comment section below saying, "Hey Kris, will you actually film cooking so we can see how you actually do your recipes?" I listened, and so you're in for a treat because today we're gonna make my chicken and dumplings from all items in the pantry. So stick around and don't have to worry about taking notes because I'll put the recipe down below. See you back in the kitchen.
Good afternoon, folks. Welcome to day 17 of the Three Rivers Challenge. Today we are going to use our Instant Pot and to do a hack on chicken and dumplings. We just came off of a canning project and we had two of the chicken soup bases right here that did not seal. So what we're going to do today is use our Instant Pot as a tool and make chicken and dumplings. First thing we're going to do is we're going to turn our Instant Pot on saute. And we're going to blend our butter and our flour to make a roux. We then add our salt, pepper, and onion powder to the mix. Put those to the side. So we've added those. We're going to wait for our butter to melt so we can get this roux cooked. The roux has combined nicely. Now we're going to cook for a couple minutes, or not a couple minutes, probably about 45 seconds. Now the recipe calls for cream of something soup, and I don't have cream of something soup. So we're going to use some evaporated milk and some chicken stock that I found in the back of the refrigerator that needs to get used. And then if we need some more liquid, we'll start dumping in some of these liquids here. The roux has cooked nicely. Now we're going to slowly add some milk to this. We want to do it a little bit at a time so there's no clumps. As you can see, that's coming together like concrete, which is the right thing we're looking for. So there is all the evaporated milk. We'll let that heat up and get the lumps out, and then we'll move to some chicken broth. The milk has been incorporated, and now we're going to switch over to chicken stock. So a little bit at a time, we'll add this to the mix. I'd say that I am good with this. I will add the ingredients next, and then we'll see if we need to continue adding to this to make it the chicken and dumpling consistency. Next to add in are the 2 pints of the chicken soup base. I thawed some turkey out. So this is the thigh of the turkey. Put that in. And then let's drain some of this off. Just to add a little punch, we're going to put in a thing of mixed vegetables. We're going to combine this and see if we like it. And there we have it. We're going to let it sit and stir and cook for a little bit, and I'll come back and let you know if I add anything. This mixture is perfect, so we're going to let this sit, probably slow cook, come up to temp for probably about an hour because everything's pretty much cooked, and then we'll serve it up. I'll bring you back whenever we put the hack on the dumplings in. Okay, everybody, here is your dumpling hack. Biscuits. Cut them up, drop them in, and cook until the centers are done. That's it. Chicken and dumplings.
All right, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed that and it was informative. Give me some feedback down below. Was I going too fast? Do you need more information? Would you like to have some additional information? Just let me know. And I'm thinking the next thing we're going to do is take care of these funky looking bananas. Maybe we're going to put some banana bread on the table here real soon. So keep an eye out for the next video. Until then, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all.